We have over 100 booths occupied here tonight, all the way from industry to local community colleges to Fresno State. You can get in construction, you can go talk to some of our construction partners, but you can also go talk to Fresno State and get into construction management. So this gives them an opportunity to talk to industry partners up front and in person, and kind of get an idea of their daily jobs and what it requires and what it takes to be somebody of that caliber who works for these businesses. It allows some of our students from our rural communities to see what else is out there other than what they observe in their own towns. They get to talk to those kind of people and look at job opportunities, and they're actually looking to hire some of these students. So it gives our industry partners an opportunity to not only present to our students, but also kind of have a front-to-front, first-time, face-to-face meeting. So we as educators have to buy into, we're here to service the whole, not a select few.